My name is Bennet, Director of Business Development here at Cadence. I would like to talk to you about the Cadence Cloud, the future of electronic design, and the fast, painless, and proven way to experience cloud computing. Today, I'm going to focus on Palladium Cloud. Palladium Cloud is a service that provides short-term access to Palladium emulation capabilities. Cadence hosts the service in a professionally managed data center. It really enables our customers to focus on their design without worrying about the installation and managing of equipment. Customers have access to capacity in monthly increments. This flexibility allows our customers to be able to address their peak capacity needs with OpEx instead of CapEx. Capacity is scalable in 32 million gate increments all the way up to 2 billion gates. This really allows customers without startup costs to be able to address designs all the way from a block level to large AI machine learning designs. From in-circuit emulation with speed bridges to power analysis with Cadence DPA software, Palladium Cloud offers uncompromised access to all of the diverse use models that are available on the Palladium platform. 22 use models are available on Palladium, and 22 use models are available in Palladium Cloud. Thank you for watching, and remember that the Cadence Cloud is the future of electronic design and the fast, painless, and proven way of experiencing cloud computing.